going on, guys? Welcome to the channel, Thrasher's Garage. If you're just tuning in, welcome. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. A few things. As I was tearing the cab bolts out, I did notice upon looking right under here, right where that blue wire is, right where the frame curves, right under there, it is starting to crack, guys. So with that being said, it's not going to stop us from getting this done, but we are going to have to frame swap it. No big deal. We'll get the cab off, get the fenders, the hood. That's kind of the reason why I haven't pulled all this off, as it is in my yard, and I'm doing this just like anybody else can. Rebuilding, making a project happen. I'm making this one happen, guys, no matter what happens. So with that being said, we're gonna have to locate a donor truck to be able to provide us with a solid frame and a solid cab. Unfortunately, guys, I can't get this cab repaired professionally, as that's going to cost way too much money. Stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. If you're just tuning into the channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that bell, get all the notifications of when I update new videos. That way you're not missing out on any part of this build. We are going to be telling you guys a little bit. So I've been working on this for probably about, I'd say about a month or so. Within that month, you can see how much progress I've made. Pretty much got everything ready to go as far as taking the body off this frame. But I'm telling you guys, this is not light work. This is, you gotta put in the dedication, time, effort. I'm just trying to show you guys kind of like the process of how things are done, to be able to prepare to take things off, replace things, doing exactly what you want to do. Now on a restoration like this, I know it's a little bit harder when you don't have a garage, so we're trying to do the best we possibly can with what we have. But anything is possible, guys, so don't feel like, don't feel like you're intimidated that you can't do this. That you can't do this in your yard or your driveway or anywhere that you may have. I know some places can be difficult than others, but if you got property, if you have a house, if you have a garage, you know, you can make this stuff happen, guys. But I'm working with what I have. I have a minimum amount of tools. I have a limited amount of workspace. As you guys can see, I only have so much workspace. So with that being said, you can obviously see I've got this pretty much right down to pulling the engine out, pulling the fenders, hood, body, all that, right down to the frame. We'd be leaving the bed on because I haven't took that off yet, but to be able to gain access to everything underneath, which is the drivetrain. So you got the engine, the transmission, transfer case, drive shaft, and rear diff and front diff. But that doesn't mean you guys can't do it. Anything's possible, especially if you put your mind to it. Anything's possible, guys, especially if I can do it, anybody can do it. All you gotta do is pick up a wrench, start wrenching on it. That's the only way you guys can learn. I learned the same way that you guys are learning, watching YouTube videos, your mentors, your dad, your grandpa, anybody that inspires you to want to be able to do this type of stuff. I'm doing it. Anybody can do it. Dreams do come true. We're gonna make this happen no matter what, guys, so stay tuned. I do have a few surprises for you guys after we locate a donor truck to be able to provide us with a solid frame, a solid cab, Being said, the bed, I'm gonna go ahead and repair that, guys. So stay tuned. Keep at it, guys. You guys are doing a fantastic job. Staying along with me. I know I haven't been right on time with videos. I've been pretty busy trying to get this done. I also have my son that's trying to help me, so that makes it a little bit more difficult, but I'm trying to include him to provide the best experience and get him into vehicles. That way when he gets older, he can be able to do the same thing I'm showing you guys, which is building something from the ground up, especially after an accident. It's harder. It's harder to do when you have it into an accident and it's not in solid shape. If it was in more solid shape, we'd be a lot further ahead, guys. But that's not going to stop us. We're still going to get it. That I've watched them do magical things. So anything is possible, guys. But stay tuned. Like I said, we'll see you on the next video.